त्यांचा कुंभचा एक्सपिरियन्स विचारणार आहे.
पक्का these Ola guys, no, this is the problem. BJP won the election.
20 and this is for auto.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. You can notice that my eye has turned red, but that is because this weekend I had continuous 3-4 shows, and because of that I actually overused the lens. So this is because of that. Now since I have resting period, so it'll cool off and I'll be fine. Don't worry about that. And baby's made pav bhaji for lunch, and she's taking some to Nerul, Maika, no? She's going home because mom and dad had gone to a pilgrimage where they had gone Kumbh Mela.
Mahakumbh.
Mahakumbh.
So they've just come back yesterday and मी त्यांना भेटायला चालली आहे. So I just thought of carrying pav bhaji.
Yeah, so
usually mummy gets food for me today. I am taking food and going.
So she'll be going, I won't be going because Hriday is gone to school, so there needs to be somebody at home to receive him. So I'll be here and I'm also tired. Honestly, I had to travel a lot and my legs are giving me the pain. So I'm not going, she's going. So I don't know when she's coming back.
I'll come by evening. I'll come.
We'll see. She's gone alone, so you know what happens when she goes alone. She can
stay.
fit into anybody's clothes there, so uska tension nahi hai wo. So, see?
No, I'm coming back.
She's coming back. Let's see. And I'll be resting. No other job today. And luckily she's made pav bhaji, so I have to just warm up the bread and have Hriday, and I will have it when he comes back. And of course I'll be editing a few vlogs as well. And baby, when are you leaving now? In some time?
Now, just give me rubber band to put here.
Okay, so I'll just help her with it. So Bagu, आजचा दिवस कसा जातो?
It is windy also, पण गरम पण खूप होता है. गर्मी ऑफिशियली शुरू झाली है. हो,
बहुत गर्मी है. कल भी मैं गया था शी बाबा, बहुत गर्मी था.
Baby is putting rubber bands.
टेप लगाना चाहिए. टेप
Be
किधर है?
careful, huh?
I am always careful.
No, one is only enough, darling.
नहीं डबल करके रख. तेरा
No,
भरोसा नहीं.
like don't.
रुक ना, मैं कर रहा है ना.
Okay, I'll just give you all a close up. एवढे seriously.
हो गया ना. टिश्यू भी डालो कैसे रैप करके.
Baby.
चलो.
Eat, food.
Yeah,
Butter
go
is
first.
also
I can
out.
rest then in peace.
In peace.
Oh, I mean sleep.
पागल
Not
कुछ
that.
भी बोलता है. सो जा तू जा. Good night.
Chal, you're going now. Go first.
Yeah.
So baby is about to leave. The thing is, since the arrival of the car, we don't have Ola and Uber apps in our mobiles. So now I'm downloading Ola for her.
How sweet. Thank you. After walking so much, I just feel like walking only.
Oh, by the way, baby has started going for morning walks, evening walks, just making sure that she completes 10,000 steps a day. That includes walking at home also.
Downloaded?
It's downloading. It's down, and there it is. Ask app not why they want to know everything. Notification nahi chahiye bhai. Explore new ways to travel with Ola. What is the other way of exploring? Baby, put details. BJP won the elections in Delhi. उन लोग ही है और कोई है नहीं. There's no opposition, कुछ नहीं है. उन लोग ही अच्छे हैं अभी. Booked or not?
500 रुपए दिखा दे रहे बेबी. ऐसे तो आई थिंक 300 में हो जाता है इधर से मेरा घर. It's showing not even 500, it is showing 520 and this is for auto. Cab is also 530.
What are you planning to do?
I'll go, I have to go now. Auto se I'll go.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just tell them this. See, I told her day after tomorrow I'm anyway traveling that side. I will drop her. No, that time also she could have gone, but no, she wants to go today only. तो अभी जाने का है तो भरना ही पड़ेगा. There's no other option. Show your face. Show your face.
That is not the problem. Paying is not the problem.
Then pay. Don't complain. कंप्लेन भी नहीं करने का, कंप्लेन करने का और जाने का भी नहीं, जाने का भी है. मैं हिंदी, इट्स ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. क्या
I'm booked.
बुक्ड? ओके, टाटा, बाय बाय.
Bye.
Coming time also you have to coming by cab. You want me to pick you up? I don't mind doing that.
No, you take rest.
Let me know.
You've worked a lot. You
I
take
like
rest.
driving any which way.
No need.
At Hriday's school not been there, we all three would have gone together, but he's
Chalo,
in
bye.
school. Yeah, chill. Bye. Have you taken everything you're supposed to take? What are you taking and going apart from pav bhaji?
Nothing.
Tell.
मम्मी के लिए सामान.
क्या सामान है? Please show our audience. Please show at least one packet. Show.
What? पाव भाजी.
Pav bhaji and
भाजी है भाजी.
show that bhaji. उधर मिलता नहीं है बाजी, इधर से उठा के लेके जा
अरे
रही है.
अच्छा है इधर.
हाँ अच्छा. ये देख.
मेथी and all है.
क्या बोलने का. I told her buy from there only, no, and go. Why she has to carry all this double. देख.
जब भी तेरी मम्मी बुलाएगी ना तभी मैं देखती हूँ तू क्या क्या लेके जाता है तेरे माँ के लिए.
नहीं कुछ नहीं लेके जाएगा रे. The roles are reversed. You're going and I'm at home. Take care.
Not our paper.
It's our paper
सुबह
only.
लिया.
Huh? This is our paper, baby.
No, सुबह मैंने लिया है आज का देख.
Our paper.
अरे तू सुबह क्या उठाया?
I don't know. कल का लेगा.
चलो बाय.
Bye. Be careful. Don't talk to any guys and all. हाँ.
बाय.
Bye. Take care. Love you. Baby forgot her charger. Have to call her. अरे लिफ्ट में. बेबी यू फॉरगॉट टू टेक योर चार्जर. पक्का. ओके चल बाय. शी इज़ लाइक इट्स 100% चार्ज, सो शी वुडंट नीड इट फॉर द एंटायर डे. ठीक है, अभी उसका कॉल है. And by the way, today I'm really very upset with Coco. Huh? Coco? Who puked? Who vomited? Who vomited? Huh? Huh? Bad boy. You vomited. Troubling us? Huh? Then we have to clean, no? Why is she calling now? Huh, baby? क्या? अभी क्यों चाहिए? हाँ ठीक है चल. She said she didn't want the charger, now she wants the charger. क्या बोलने का अभी. चलो मैं जाता है नीचे and give it to her. She wants her charger. क्या बोलने का यार अभी. Waiting for the lift also is too chaotic. We stay on a higher floor and then waiting for that lift becomes a pain. Even with 2 lifts, it is a pain. So I have left my charger in the car, so I'm giving her hers and going and collecting mine. Luckily I have parked the car close by, not far away. So I'll get that work done too. And I'm a bit hungry, so I'll go and have that pav bhaji before Hriday comes. If not, थोड़ा बिस्किट भी मिलेगा तो मैं बिस्किट खाएगा. What happened? first one time you're saying you want the charger, then you're saying one time you're saying you do want the charger, then you're saying you want to have the charger. क्या है?
It's good to carry. What if I stay?
तेरी माँ का.
Hey.
Hey, look at the cutie. Look at the cutie there. You saw? Not the one on the Activa. That cutie dog. Yeah. These Ola guys, no, this is the problem. They keep on cancelling, and that is the irritation part. I don't like this.
That's okay. Come. आया.
किधर आया? वही है क्या? So baby does not want to go by a cab. Cabs are available, but she has motion sickness, so she prefers rickshaw. And that's with many other women. I would prefer rickshaw. Only thing is dust और कुछ नहीं. अब ये बोला in the app it was showing 2 minutes में आ रहा है, but this fellow 10 मिनट हुआ अभी तक आया नहीं है. And then they expect us to cancel. So we have to pay cancellation fees. पागल है क्या?
एकदम सीधा आओ और लेफ्ट लो. मैं नीचे ही खड़ी हूँ.
There he is. Sure, bye. OTP are not taking properly. I'm on the Activa because I have to go to the car. Chal, bye. Take care. It's reached. Oh, they have washed the car. So when the wipers are up, means somebody has washed the car. Good. इधर है मेरा वायर इधर है. A lot of things. I have to throw all this as well. पहले तो ये लेते हैं. They नीचे रखता because these people are shanas. If I don't use the car for 4 days, they keep the wipers on and then we assume that they have washed the car. Shana log yaar.
$500? 13. ये लो. सो आय हॅव रीच्ड नाव. आणि मी ऑटोवाल्या अंकलला सांगितलं आहे की इथेच थांब. इन केस माझं झालं तर ही कॅन टेक मी बॅक होम. सो ही सेड की ते लोकलीच फिरतील तोपर्यंत. नाव लेट्स गो होम. माय पावभाजी इज सेफ टिल नाव. मम्मी मम्मी हाय.
ये
है की हाय.
अरे दीदीला आम्ही भेटत नाही असे चालत आहे जेवत असतो.
मी लवकर आली बिकॉज मी लवकर आली
कारण की मी घरी आली. ये आम्ही झोपलोय सगळे. मस्त पावभाजी बनवली आहे. एक तू खाऊ शकते. गरम करू? गरम करू का? खाशील? गरम करू आता? सो मी घरी आली. सगळे जेवलो. मम्मी पप्पांनी पावभाजी खाल्ली. प्रीतीने पण पावभाजी खाल्ली. कशी होती?
मस्त.
आणि आता आय एम गोइंग टू लिव्ह. पण निघायच्या अगोदर मी मम्मी पप्पांना त्यांचा कुंभचा एक्सपिरियन्स विचारणार आहे. सो ह्यानंतर तुम्ही ते ऐका.
You think I'm going to show that part here? No. To know the experience of the entire Kumbh Mela, you need to go and check out the next vlog. So, असं होता हा आमचा अर्धा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.